If you are not making money online in 2024, let me just break it to you. You are so far behind and you are destined to be doomed in the next few years if you don't start making money online. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly why and the benefits of making money online, especially as a young guy in your 20s. So let's get right into it. Tanner Johansson back with another video. And this is basically just going to be about why you need to make money online as a young guy. So let's jump right into it here. And like I was saying, you're already so far behind. So it's now or never. Every single person I know in real life makes money online. So it's just such a common thing to me. But maybe for you guys, it's not so common. Everyone just makes money in real life, just like in person. And you don't understand how it's possible, but it's just like my normal world now, and I don't understand how you're not making money online. And I would genuinely be worried if I was you. And I'm worried for like friends and family that don't make money online, because if you live in a Western country, the UK, the US, Canada, countries like this, you know that they are stripping away your freedom every single day. You're slowly becoming a just less valuable, just like number basically, and you're just getting eaten up with taxes. You're getting eaten up with all this bullshit woke culture, and the cost of living is just going through the absolute roof. And the countries are becoming more communist every day. The elections aren't even real anymore, which is a whole nother side tangent. And every single day you lose more freedom and your money becomes less valuable because they're just printing it from thin air. And no matter where you live, obviously that's something that's going to happen. But like me, I'm living in Thailand right now. Everything is so much cheaper and the US dollar goes so much further. And so making six figures per year, I can literally do whatever I want. And if you rely on a single location for money and something happens, like your country actually does become communist eventually, they take away your freedom, or there's a war, like you're literally dust. You can either comply or you can fight back. And so if you comply, you're fucked. And if you fight back, you're probably going to get fucked. So either way, if you rely on a single location for your well-being, you're just setting yourself up for failure. And it just doesn't make sense, because there's so much opportunity online right now that you can make so much money, so much more money online than you can in person, and you're still not doing it. Especially with all the benefits that come with making money online. It just doesn't make sense. And one thing that you can do when you make money online, like I mentioned, is leaving your hometown. And I came out to Thailand like 8 months ago, actually 9 months ago at this point. And I'll just skip down to the bottom here. My income literally tripled. And at this point, it's way more than tripled, but it tripled right when I moved here about 9 months ago. And that just proves that leaving your hometown is a must, especially if you're just staying with your parents right now. You can either move out and stay in the same hometown, or stay in the States or Canada, and you're going to be broke because of how high cost of living is. Or you can make money online, move to another country where it's cheaper. You'll have new experiences, you'll have new ideas, you'll see new places, and you're actually going to live a unique life. And from there, you're going to get way different results. You're going to connect with way different people, and your life is just going to be so much better. And on the contrary, if you just stay in the exact same place, even the same country, even if it's a really good country, you should still leave, just because you're never going to grow as a person, just like staying in the exact same place that you have always been. Because it's still the same ideas, it's the same people, and it's the same experiences. And so when you're just doing all the same, you're going to get the same results. So if you want massive change in your life, then you have to start putting in different inputs into your brain in order to get different outputs, which is your life. And so when you're making money online, this is something that you can do. But if you don't, and you move to another country, you're just going to be in an even worse place, because you're going to be making that country's wages. When you make money online and you move to a place like Thailand, you're making money in US dollar, and you're switching it for Thai baht, which goes way further, and you're going to be living like a king. And this was the pool at my condo complex, and it was literally $1,500 US dollars a month, and it literally had like one of the best views in Thailand, and it was super, super luxurious. And so that's just a sneak peek of what you can get. And yeah, you just live a better life. So once you make money online, you can live in countries where the cost of living isn't through the roof, and you're not making, $20 an hour, barely surviving paycheck to paycheck. And if you can make 10K per month, which is so easy online these days, literally within 4 or 5 months of me making money online and starting my journey, I hit 10K per month. And so if you don't make 10K per month, you're just not putting in the work. And here, if you're making 10K per month, you're living like an absolute king. Like, you can literally buy whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. And here's me on the islands. This is also in Thailand. Me and my friend Alex at the club here. And that's another thing, is you don't have to deal with the BS in the Western countries, especially since it's getting worse and worse and worse every day. There's no woke culture here. There's less crime. There's better women. They're more feminine. And you just have more freedom overall because they're not making laws every single day trying to restrict your freedom. And they actually care about their people here. And they care about you if you live here. So it's an absolute must that you make money online. And if you don't, then you just don't care about your life enough, and you're not trying hard enough if you haven't made money online. And if you just need guidance, you just need a little bit of help, then I made a free course on how you can get started with remote sales, which is how I make money online. So you can go through that. The link is in the description. But if you just want my one-to-one help right away, you don't want to mess around with free courses, you just want the best one-to-one mentorship, then you can just book a call with me, link in description, and we can see if you would be a fit for my mentorship. And I can help you do all of this. I can help you get to 10K per month with remote sales, something anyone can do. And it's an easy skill to learn. I literally learned it in a couple months and made $8,000 my first month online living in Thailand with remote sales. So hopefully that helps you guys. Make sure you put this into action. Don't just leave this video and think, oh yeah, I should make money online, and then not do anything. If you want to live a life like this, you have to take massive action. You can't just think about it. You should go out of this video. You should book a call with me, or you could go to my free course. You need to take action, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.